Shin Black Premium Noodle Soup by Nong Shim is a cup of instant noodles that is fiery, creamy, and contains large pieces of dried veggies. This spicy noodle soup is great for on-the-go meals or at home if you are in a hurry. These noodles are very spicy and are complemented very well by the creamy broth and umami flavors of the soup base. This instant noodle soup is made by Nong Shim, which is a South Korean food and beverage company headquartered in Seoul. Their delicious products are becoming increasingly popular in America since their premium noodle cups are well loved. This cup of premium noodle soup is manufactured and distributed in America. The flavors of this premium noodle soup are extremely well balanced. This spicy noodle soup cup is full of flavors reminiscent of the French meal pot au feu or beef stew. This traditional meal generally contains cuts of meat, chopped veggies, and spices to create a warm, yummy, and hearty stew. This noodle cup takes those traditional flavors and adds red chili pepper powder and some other spices to turn up the heat. If you are a fan of spicy noodles, then this is one you must try. Each cup like this is considered one serving and contains 320 calories. Each serving also contains 9 grams of fat, no cholesterol, 1,110 milligrams of sodium, 52 grams of carbohydrates, less than 1 gram of dietary fiber, 3 grams of sugars, and 8 grams of protein. The allergy information includes wheat, anchovy, and soy. This cup of noodles can be stored in a cool, dry place for nearly a year. There is no added MSG nor trans fat in this noodle cup. To prepare these noodles, open the lid all the way and add the soup base. Add water to the fill line and microwave for 3 minutes. Alternatively, you can open the lid halfway, add the soup base, then add hot water directly to the cup to the fill line. Close the lid for 4 minutes, then stir and enjoy. Be sure to wait for the temperature to cool down a bit before eating. This cup of noodles makes a great meal all by itself, but you can add some of your own ingredients like grilled Korean beef, some diced mushrooms, and an egg. Now, I will prepare these noodles with hot water to show you how it looks. After waiting 4 minutes, the noodles are ready to enjoy. This soup smells amazing, a blend of spice, veggies, and beef. The taste is quite spicy, and the texture is great. These noodles are perfect for anyone looking for a convenient and quick meal on the go. If you love spicy ramen, then this is for you. I hope you will try out this premium noodle soup by Nong Shim.
Enjoy. Bye bye.